I need you to confirm that on the 18th January 2025, you were deployed within Lake Nakuru National Park.
Pardon?
Confirm whether on the 18th of January 2025, you were deployed within Lake Nakuru National Park.
Yes, Your Honor.
You confirm?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I also need you to confirm that you are part of a team conducting operations against illegal fishing.
Yes, Your Honor.
I also need you to confirm that you are on duty throughout the operation.
Yes, Your Honor.
But yes, you confirm.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I also need you to confirm that you are acting in your capacity as a KWS officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
I need you to confirm that you are working together as a team.
Yes, Your Honor.
I need you to confirm that on that day you were in uniform.
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you let the court know what else you are having? You as either coach.
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you tell the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tell the court.
I was in a gumboot.
You were in a
gumboot.
You were in a gumboot. Was your head covered?
I was in a hat.
You were in a hat.
Yes, Your Honor.
What did you have in your hands?
Nothing.
Not even a baton?
Pardon?
Not even a baton?
What is a baton?
Right. Something like a rungu?
Nothing.
You did not have anything.
Yes, Your Honor.
In your team, did anyone have a rungu?
Pardon?
In your team, did anyone have a rungu?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone have a gun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who had a gun?
Ranger Michael Wabukala.
Michael Wabukala had a gun.
Evans Kimayo.
Kimayo had a gun.
And some other officers.
You do not recall their names?
Kibaki.
Kibaki had a gun.
Brian Munio.
Munio had a gun.
Those are whom I saw with the gun, sir.
Would you let the court know why you did not have anything in your arm yet you were in the forest?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you let the court know why you did not have anything in your arms?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not sure you understand my question. Tell the court why you did not have anything in your arms.
Because I was not issued with the gun.
Have you ever been issued with a gun before?
Yes, Your Honor.
Before that day?
Before that, pardon?
Before the 18th of January, had you been issued with a gun?
Yes, Your Honor.
On this particular day, where was your gun?
Before 18th, we were under orientation. Yes, Your Honor.
Your response earlier on was that you had been issued with a gun before the 18th. So my question is, on the 18th, where was your gun?
On 18th, we were using one gun.
All of you using one gun?
That is before 18th.
Ochieng, on the 18th, you were using one gun, all of you. That's what you're telling the court?
No, Your Honor.
Have you lied before, Ochieng?
No, Your Honor.
Are you trying to lie now?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so we will stick to the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
And for things we don't know, we say we actually don't know.
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. And that is what adults do, right?
Pardon?
Okay. So, during the course of the operation, I need you to confirm you proceeded to sewage area.
Yes, Your Honor.
You were accompanied by other officers?
Yes, Your Honor.
You encountered a person within the park at sewage area.
Pardon?
You encountered a person within the park at sewage area.
Yes, Your Honor.
That person attempted to move away from the officers.
Yes, Your Honor.
You and other officers pursued him.
Yes, Your Honor.
The person was actually running away.
Yes, Your Honor.
He was not walking.
Yes, Your Honor.
He was running.
Yes, Your Honor.
You eventually caught up with that person,
Yes, Your Honor.
and you personally participated in restraining that person.
No, Your Honor.
You did not participate in restraining him from running away.
What do you mean by the term restraining?
Hamkumzuia asitoroke.
Tulimzuia kwa kumo...
Okay,
Yeah.
mulimzuia.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So you came into physical contact with this person. What do you have to object, sir?
Your Honor, it's actually not an objection.
Yes.
I would advise the witness just to speak to Kiswahili because he seems to be confused when he was examining in English.
Yes, proceed, Mr.
You know, I would note that was unnecessary. Now I
Yes,
have
proceed,
to,
Mr.
now I have to
Let's-
get back my.
Yes, let's proceed. Let's not.
If we could avoid the unnecessary interjections, you know. So
Let's proceed.
you came into physical contact with this person.
Yes, Your Honor.
You were close enough to even hold him.
Yes, Your Honor.
You actually held him.
Yes, Your Honor.
You searched him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Isaac, you touched him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You are close enough to see his face.
Yes, Your Honor.
You could even observe his physical appearance.
Yes, Your Honor.
I need you to confirm that the arrest actually took place during daylight hours.
Yes, Your Honor.
The visibility was good.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nothing obstructed you or your view of the person you actually arrested.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nothing at all.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you observed him, or you looked at him from the time of pursuit until the time you arrested him.
Yes, Your Honor.
You did that. Is that person that you arrested at the sewage area the same person we're talking about here, or the same person you testified about here?
Who is the person you are talking about? Who is the person you are talking
We'll
about?
come to that. So it's my question to you.
Okay.
So is it the same person you are giving evidence about here?
Yes, Your Honor.
That very person?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. The same person you say was later handed over to Sudi?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have no doubt whether we're speaking about that same person?
I have no doubt.
You have no doubt. At the time of arrest, did you know his name?
I didn't.
Had you met him before?
No, Your Honor.
Had you ever spoken to him before?
No, Your Honor.
So he was not personally known to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you ask him to provide you with his identification card?
I didn't.
You did not. Did you recover any identification card from him?
No, Your Honor.
You did not. Did you verify his identity against an official document?
Pardon?
Did you verify his identity against an official document?
May you break it down, sir?
It's just that simple. Did you verify his identity?
Just break it down.
I'm
Yes,
wondering.
the request, yes, we want to be in the same page.
I'm wondering how simpler verifying against a document.
Tumia Kizungu Kizito. Yes, use very simple language and verify is not
Simple.
just an ordinary.
Very well, Leona. I'll come again.
Yes.
Uliweza kuthibitisha identity
Sikuweza.
ya huyu umejibu hukuweza. Okay. You did not record his name, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You did not prepare any document identifying him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you even take a photograph of this person?
No, Your Honor.
Did you obtain any fingerprints of this person?
I didn't.
Did you undertake an identification process for this person?
No, Your Honor.
You did not. So let's do it this way. Before the 18th of January 2025, did you know Brian Oddiambo?
No, Your Honor. Pardon?
Before 18th January 2025, did you know Brian Oddiambo?
No, Your Honor.
Had you ever met him before that time?
No, Your Honor.
Had you ever spoken to him?
No, Your Honor.
Had you ever investigated anything concerning Brian?
No, Your Honor.
Had no prior knowledge of Brian Oddiambo before the 18th.
Yes, Your Honor.
So at the time you arrested that person at Vietnam, you did not know whether he was Brian Oddiambo or not.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's just say you simply did not know his identity.
Which
The person you arrested at sewage.
According to the pictures of Brian,
Hey, the person you arrested at sewage on the 18th of January 2025, you had no idea who he was.
yes, Your Honor.
So yet today you have told the court that the person you arrested was not Brian Oddiambo.
Yes, Your Honor.
So I would like to understand the basis of that statement.
Because Brian Oddiambo have been seeing his pictures around kama hile haikai na yule ambaye tulimshika mimi.
You see what you're saying is not based on any prior acquaintance with Brian Oddiambo, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
It is not based on any identification card that you examined.
Yes, Your Honor.
It is not based on any photograph that you compared.
Pardon?
Is it based on any photograph that you compared?
Break it down.
Kuna picha yote ulikuwa nayo ya awali ambayo ulikuwa unafanya comparison nayo?
Comparison na nani?
Ulikuwa umechukua picha ya awali ya Brian Oddiambo?
Sikuwa nimechukua.
Na hizo ambazo unaelezea umezicompare na picha yoyote ya awali uliyokuwa nayo?
Nilikuwa nimeona mwenye nilimshika.
Na kuuliza,
Aha.
umecompare na picha yoyote ya awali ambayo ulikuwa nayo?
Nimecompare na hii.
Hizi ambazo unasema unaona umezikompare na picha za awali ulikuwa nazo?
Picha gani awali?
Haukuwa na picha yoyote ya awali, si ni kweli?
Awali picha ya nani?
Ya Brian Odhiambo.
Yes, Your Honor.
So hizi unazosema hapa na hizo ambazo haukuwa nazo, haujafanya comparison yoyote.
Picha ya Brian ambayo nimekuwa nikiona kwa mtandao ni same na hii.
Have you compared it with any other photograph?
Of this one?
Yes.
Ni same.
Have you compared these ones with any other?
Which other?
You know, we need to know further. Simply, I can go with this. He is just being elusive. And I would ask that he answers the questions as asked. Have you compared these photos with any other photos?
Pardon.
Do you want to answer my questions, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you answer this? Have you compared these photographs you said you've seen with any other?
No, Your Honor.
So if I bring you photos of the 9 suspects that you arrested, would you recall all of them?
I will recall some.
You'd recall some.
Yes, Your Honor.
How many did you arrest?
I arrested one.
But you'd recall for 9 suspects.
I could not recall all of them.
Some, you mean how many?
A number of them.
Bro, some. How many? 1, 2, 3, 9.
Some of them.
Isaac,
I can't actually tell.
we
the
have
number.
1 to 9. We have 1 to 9 as the number of suspects. How many can you identify if we brought you photographs?
Some I can identify. Some.
Give me the number.
I can't actually say the number.
So we stick to, you did not know the identity of the person you arrested.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, today you want the court to believe that you have suddenly known the person you arrested was not Brian.
Yes, Your Honor.
And that your knowledge is not based on any identification process that you undertook.
Pardon?
And that your knowledge now of Brian Odhiambo is not based on any identification process that you undertook.
Break it down, sir.
Kumjua kwako Brian hakutoki ama si outcome ya process yoyote ya identification ambayo wewe umefanya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So when you left sewage, on 18th of January 2025, you still did not know the identity of the person you had arrested.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you only came to know that the person you had arrested was Brian Odhiambo later on, right?
No, Your Honor.
But you came to know about Brian Odhiambo later on.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this later on is after allegations of his disappearance emerged.
Yes, Your Honor.
You also confirm it's after this matter had become a subject of investigation.
Pardon?
You're saying you came to know about Brian Odhiambo after this matter had become a subject of investigation.
No, Your Honor.
When did you come to know about it?
After 18th.
After 18th.
Yes, Your Honor.
When did investigations into his disappearance start?
I went to record my statement on 22nd
On 22nd.
January.
Had you heard about Brian's disappearance on 19th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Had you heard still about him on 20th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you, before these proceedings, these ones, ever spoken to Brian Oddiambo's mother?
No, Your Honor.
Before these proceedings, have you, let the court know, where is your rural home?
Rural home is at Migori, Nyatike sub-county.
Nyatike sub-county, where in particular?
Kadem.
Have you been to Kadem before these proceedings?
Yes, Your Honor.
Particularly when?
I've been there several, Your Honor.
Have you at one point sought prayers concerning this matter?
Pardon?
It's simple. Have you sought prayers before this matter began?
No, Your Honor.
You've not sought the intervention of your village elders?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'd leave that point and ask. When you got to Bondeni police station with 9 suspects, Isaac,
Yes, Your Honor.
who made the OB entry?
One of the officers.
One of the officers.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're aware that that entry has been produced in this court as part of the prosecution's testimony?
I don't know, Your Honor.
Have you participated in this hearing from the beginning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you saying documents relating to your test, to your case in this court have not been supplied to you?
Pardon?
Are you saying documents relating to this case have not been supplied to you? Or your advocates?
No, Your Honor.
Have the documents relating to this case been supplied to you and your advocates?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of particular interest, has an excerpt of the OB entry been provided to you?
No, Your Honor.
Would your advocates confirm if they have been supplied to them? And if they confirm, you'd be lying?
To me, myself, have not been supplied to.
Your Honor, would counsel confirm whether they were supplied with the...
Yes. It's just an issue of knowledge. Whether they were supplied is another thing. Whether he's aware that they were supplied is another thing. Yes.
It's okay. But I would put to you that these documents were supplied to your advocates, and therefore I can cross-examine you on their cases. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, this is an example. To see there. You indicated that no one among the 9 people that you arrested and presented to Bondeni police station was injured.
Yes, Your Honor.
Should be there. At Bondeni police station, an OB entry is made to the effect that those who were presented there were taken to the hospital because of injuries. Would you be surprised to learn that there is such an OB entry?
Pardon?
would you be surprised to learn that there is an OB entry to the effect that those you took to Bondeni were actually taken to the hospital, should be Langa Hospital, because of injuries suffered?
I don't know, Your Honor.
I'm asking, would you be surprised to learn?
Yes, Your Honor.
As my colleagues retrieve the OB entry, and I'll be showing you that briefly as they retrieve that, but we may need to move as I conclude. Back to the identity of the person you arrested. I need you to confirm that you cannot tell this court that person was from your own personal knowledge.
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, that your assertion that the person arrested at Sewage was not Brian Oddiambo is not based on anything you personally verified at the time of arrest.
Yes, Your Honor.
Perhaps before my colleague finishes, I would return with the OB entry one, then Your Honor, if you'd allow, as we retrieve the entry.
I believe we are talking of exhibit number 19.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, let's just clear with it.
Yes.
Yes, I'm sure.
I needed to show.
Yes, just put it in.
No, since you don't have the copy.
No one, absolutely no one,
Yes, Your
was
Honor.
injured. Is it also your testimony that if there was an OB entry to the effect that there was anyone injured and taken to hospital, then that entry would be erroneous?
I don't know, Your Honor.
The question is this: would it be your testimony then that if there was an entry indicating that anyone was injured, that entry would be erroneous?
I was not among those people who entered in the entry, so I couldn't know.
There are people you took to Bondeni.
Yes, Your Honor.
You had them booked in.
Yes, Your Honor.
An OB entry was made.
I was not at the OB entry. I only escorted them to Bondeni police station.
Did you see them being booked in?
No, Your Honor.
You did not see anyone being booked in,
Yes, Your Honor.
but you've given testimony to the effect that they were booked.
Because they
But
were left
just
there.
a moment. But you have testified that they were booked.
Yes, Your Honor.
How did you know that they were booked?
Yule ambaye amepelekwa polisi na akaachwa kwa police station, haizi akaachwa kama hajabukiwa.
Did you book them at the investigation office?
I didn't.
Is there a book for recording entries there?
Yes.
Did you book these arrests there?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone book the arrests there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who did that?
Investigation officers.
Who was the investigation officer?
I don't know the name.
You don't know their name.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are they the same people who inform others of the reason for the arrest?
Yes, Your Honor.
How do they know the reason for the arrest, yet they did not participate in the arrest?
Walikuwa na afande Wachira.
Did you hear the question?
Yes, Your Honor.
You indicate that they are the people to inform people of the reason for the arrest.
Yes, Your Honor.
But how do they know why anyone has been arrested and then inform them of the reason of the arrest? Are they some gods of sorts?
No, Your Honor.
Who informs them?
The commander who was in charge of the operation.
Does the commander know every arrest that has been made?
He took notes on the arrests.
He takes notes of the arrests.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that then you're also telling the court that once you arrest, you inform the commander that we have arrested this one.
Inategemea.
Na nini?
Akiwa karibu na wewe.
On this occasion,
Yes, Your Honor.
when you made an arrest at sewage,
Yes, Your Honor.
did you inform the commander?
He knew.
He knew.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because he participated in it?
Yes, Your Honor.
He was present in it?
Yes, Your Honor.
He gave instructions?
Yes, Your Honor.
You followed his instructions?
Yes, Your Honor.
When you arrested, did you have cuffs?
No, Your Honor.
How do you restrain the 9 that you arrested?
We didn't restrain them.
No one was tied up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where did you take the items that you recovered from this suspect?
We left him with. It was just an agunia where he tied on his stomach.
You left the items with the suspect.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you ordinarily leave items with the suspects?
Yes, Your Honor.
You ordinarily leave the items with the suspects.
Yes, Your Honor.
What would you be producing in court as exhibits in the event they get there?
Thereafter he was not, hakuwa amefanyiwa processing.
You know what I'm asking?
Yes, Your Honor.
You arrest a person, you let them be with their items.
Yes,
That's
Your
what
Honor.
you're telling the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
And later on, what happens? How do you recover them from them?
That one is being recovered after processing, when processing is going on.
So, what is the intention of the search that you do on those you arrest? Why would you do a search?
The intention of the search, maybe anaweza kuwa amejiandama na kitu ambacho anaweza kukudhuru nayo ukiwa na yeye.
So you do a search to confirm whether this person is...
You know, if you are going to arrest someone, you don't know how the person is. So you must have a search for him or her.
I need that to sink. If you...
Pardon?
So I need you to repeat what you just said.
I've said if you are going to arrest someone, after arresting you have to conduct a search.
Yeah, that is in your force standing orders?
It is a must, Your Honor.
No, I'm asking, that is in your force standing orders?
Yes, Your Honor.
You could point us to any of that anywhere?
Pardon?
You could point us to where we can find that one that requires you to do a search?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, do that kindly, so that we move.
In Kenya Wildlife Act law.
The Kenya Wildlife Act law,
Yes, Your Honor.
it requires you to do a search.
Yes, Your Honor.
Finally, I need to just understand one thing. You indicated from the point you arrested this person to the fence, say,
200 to 250 meters.
which fence are you talking about?
I'm talking of fence ya nje.
Where did your car, was it car, motor vehicle stop?
At the trench.
At the trench. Where is the trench?
In the
Before,
park. Trench is within the park.
within the park.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a trench before the fence or after?
There is a trench inside the park and the fence is after the trench.
I need you to also confirm something to me. Do you know where the Nawasco Yes. Do you know where Nawasco has its premises at? Within or outside the park?
I don't know Nawasco.
You don't know where Nawasco is?
Yes, Your Honor. I've never came across a name known as Nawasco.
You do not know Nakuru Water and Sanitation Services Company Limited.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, how well do you know the surrounding of the park?
Sewage area.
How well? Very well? Not so well?
Not so well.
You do not know that area so well.
Yes, Your Honor.
You now stop at that.